Horses sound, we have perfect timing pass to begin rushing about the outside. Now is Gold Harbor, down on the inside is Boom Boom Boom, racing in Port Zer Ferdinand Nash and Big Bang Bong is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn we have Boom 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 running by the rail, and on the outside is Gold Harbor, 2 lengths better back in third Nash, then comes perfect timing Zer Ferdinand, and Big Bang Bong is racing in last. Gold Harbor by about 2 lengths, and in second is Boom Boom Boom, 3 lengths away in third Nash, perfect timing in fourth, then followed by Sir Ferdinand. Big Bang Bong also rushing up, and that's the Gold Harbor by about 4 lengths, and in second is Boom Boom Boom. Nash, Big Bang Bong now moving up to take second, and that's the Gold Harbor by about 3 lengths. Big Bang Bong now trying to get closer in second, and in third Sir Ferdinand, down on inside Boom 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 Nash, and that's the Gold Harbor by about 4 lengths, and in second is Big Bang Bong, down on the inside Sir Ferdinand, then comes Boom Boom Boom, and that's the Gold Harbor, followed by Big Bang Bong on the outside. Boom Boom Boom, Gold Harbor, Big Bang Bong is on the outside. Gold Harbor, Big Bang Bong entering the finish line. It's Gold Harbor, Big Bang Bong, then comes Sir Ferdinand, Boom Boom Boom, Nash, and perfect timing.
Alright. Talagang dito mas magaling si Cole Harbor.